In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Facebook ads in 5 minutes. Whether you're a small business owner who's looking to cut back on spending, or someone who's simply experimenting with Facebook ads and decided they're not for you, this guide will walk you through every step necessary to cancel your Facebook ads quickly and efficiently. First and foremost, let's start with the initial step, which is navigating to the Facebook Business Manager. This is where all the magic happens regarding your advertising efforts on Facebook. The platform is a powerful tool that allows you to manage your ads, pages, and the people who work on them all in one place. If you're not already familiar with the Facebook Business Manager, think of it as your advertising command center. Once you're there, you'll see an option to log in with Facebook. Click on this to proceed. It's crucial that you're logged into the correct Facebook account that's associated with the business page you're running ads for. This ensures that you'll have access to the right accounts and campaigns. After logging in, you'll be prompted to choose your account. Select the appropriate one to move forward. If you manage multiple business pages or ad accounts, make sure to choose the one for which you wish to cancel the ads. This step is especially important to get right to avoid any mistakes or confusion later on. Next, we're going to navigate to the Ads section located at the lower left panel of your screen. This section will take you to where you need to be in order to manage and, in this case, cancel your ads. Facebook makes it relatively straightforward to find, but it can be missed if you're not familiar with the layout. After clicking on Ads, go ahead and click on Ads Manager. This is essentially the hub where you'll find all your active, paused, or completed campaigns. It's a great tool that offers a comprehensive overview of your ads performance, but today we're focused on how to halt these activities. Now it's time to go to Campaigns. This can be done by either navigating through the menu or following the direct link if you're watching this video online and have access to the clickable resources. Once in the Campaigns section, you'll see all the campaigns you've set up over time. This next step is crucial and it's where the actual cancellation happens. You'll need to turn off the campaign to cancel it. To do this, simply find the campaign you wish to cancel and look for the toggle or switch next to it. By default, an active campaign will have this toggle switch to the on position, indicated by either a blue color or a clear label saying it's active. Simply click on this toggle to switch it to the off position. Once the toggle switches to off, which usually turns grey or presents an off label, your campaign is effectively cancelled. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully cancelled your Facebook ad campaign. It's a straightforward process, but there are a couple of things to remember. First, if you decide to reactivate your campaign in the future, you can simply follow these steps in reverse to turn the campaign back on. Second, keep in mind that cancelling a campaign doesn't delete it. You can always review the performance data of your cancelled campaigns for future reference or analysis. In conclusion, managing your advertising efforts on Facebook is an ongoing process that requires attention and periodic adjustments. Knowing how to cancel your Facebook ads is an essential part of managing your budget and strategy effectively. Whether you're reallocating resources or pausing your campaign to reassess your strategy, the ability to cancel an ad quickly ensures you're always in control of your advertising efforts. Thank you for watching this guide on how to cancel your Facebook ads in just 5 minutes. Remember, the key to successful advertising is not just about launching campaigns, but also knowing when to adjust, pause, or cancel them based on your goals and performance. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep optimizing your strategies for the best results.